but we've got some moody skies. Getting a lot of moody skies this season. It's absolutely fun. Brilliant, nice one. Good morning guys, welcome back to New Zealand. 8:30 AM. The heat has subsided, summer's gone away for maybe 2 or 3 days I reckon. It's wet, it's miserable. I've got a day of work. We're going to have a nice cup of coffee, sit down, chill out for half an hour, then we're going to head out to the beach. Alright guys, so when I said it was wet and miserable, it was. We had a wet, miserable night. We had a wet, miserable morning. I mean, it's only 9:30, 9:20 now, AM. But I think it's going to be a cracking day actually. We're not going to get a great deal of sunshine. It's a little bit cooler. It's, what, 19 degrees, 20 degrees, maybe up to 23, 24 degrees today, which is a damn sight cooler than what we've had of late. But we've got some moody skies. Getting a lot of moody skies this season. It's absolutely fun. Brilliant, nice one. Try again. So we're getting a lot of, like I tried to say, we're getting a lot of moody skies this season, which is absolutely fantastic. Loving it. We're getting a lot of sunshine coming through, breaking through. The clouds are dark and moody and it's great. Loving it. Anyway, so as I said, I've not done a video since Christmas Day. Primarily because there's a lot of stuff going on at work. We've got the other photographer, he's gone down with a medical issue, which is going to be fine. He's going to be okay, but it's going to lay him up for 2 or 3 months. So things have been pretty busy at work. So good luck to us. All the best, mate. You're fine. I've been a bit lax putting the videos together. I've just, not that I've not been motivated, I've just been motivated in a different sort of direction. I've just been getting out with the camera and I've just been enjoying the camera actually, just walking about and yeah, just taking photographs without the, I wouldn't say hassle, but it is a hassle, without the hassle of videoing and vlogging everything, because it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, and I think you've got to be in the right frame of mind. If your frame of mind's not into it, it's going to show in the videos. And I'm going to head down to a favourite spot of mine, the Esk River mouth down at Bayview, just outside Napier. It's beautiful black sand beach, Esk River flowing into the ocean. It's just, I just love it. It's just a gorgeous place. So with a moody sky, which is actually kind of clearing up now, it's kind of quite nice now actually. The sun's come out, it's quite beautiful. But I'm thinking we'll nip down there, get a few photographs down there again, and just see what we can come up with. I'd like to make, I think it's going to be quite choppy out there, so I'd like to make a few nice photographs of the ocean chipping away at the outflowing river. Alright guys, so here we are, and let's have a bit of a jaunt down the beach and see what we come up with. Just as I was flying the drone, I could see the storm coming in. No flashes and bangs, but plenty of rain. And I had to get the drone down pretty quick, get it packed away, and get under a bit of shelter, which is my brolly. Thankfully I brought my brolly. I wasn't going to do it, but thankfully I did. Yes, so at the minute, I'm just sat at the river mouth. The rain's easing a little bit, which is pretty bloody good. and as soon as it clears I think we might get some decent light. Failing that, we'll get some nice moody light, because this storm's going to go to the north of the river mouth, which will be great, which will make a great backdrop for this this foreground of the rushing river and the ocean just beyond that. So all in all, I'm getting wet. It's not cold, it's warm rain, but all in all, no better place to be. Well, there is obviously, but no better place that I am at this moment in time. So guys, obviously I'm back in the van, just on my way back to Napier. Pretty wet, but that's all good. I did record a closer to the video while I was on the beach. Unfortunately, I clipped on the old lapel mic, and I've got visuals, but there's no bloody sound. So I'm going to do a closer in the van. Basically, what I was trying to say, I'll try and lip sync everything and try and add it together and sort of splice it together. But in essence, what I was saying was, for now guys, that's me done. It's wet. I've got to get off, pick my young fella up from work and drop him off home. It's been a cracking day. It's been a crazy day. Sunshine, rain, sunshine, rain, heavy rain at times, light rain at times. It's been all over the place, but it's been good. I've made a few nice photographs. I'm pretty sure I've made some nice photographs. It's always it's quite hard not to make a good photograph down in that location. I absolutely love it. It's been a cracking little day. Really enjoyed it, and I'm gonna try and remember to put the camera settings with the photographs, just so you know. Some people like to know what settings I'm using, and I'll put the settings there if I remember. I always bloody forget. Anyway, for now guys, from a crazy day Hawke's Bay, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this, give us a like, give us a subscribe, all that sort of good stuff. And until next time, Kaki te anō, all the best.